GNSS. This is the lesson number 5, location and time. In the second lesson, we studied about motions of the earth, that is rotation and revolution. So here children, through this we will be knowing how to find out the time and the location of each and every place. Children, here first we are going to study about latitudes. Latitudes are these line, horizontal line, but they are all imaginary. They are all imaginary. It is not really on the earth planet. These are all drawn to identify the places, particular places. It will be convenient to find the places. For that reason, these latitudes are drawn and they are all imaginary lines. Okay children, so here in this we are going to see this middle latitude, that is the middle line. This is called equator and it is in 0 degree. And there are many latitudes. You can see, and this equator divides this earth into 2 parts. Okay, as you all know that earth is in spherical shape and this is divided into 2 by this equator. And this equator, nearby places are known as equatorial regions. And above that, tropics and Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And at the topmost you can see that is the pole, ending point. So the above is North Pole and here is South Pole. And children, the northern part is called as Northern Hemisphere and the southern part is called as Southern Hemisphere. And these horizontal lines are called latitudes and they run from east to west. And you can see, you are familiar with this word GPS, that is Global Positioning System. This is found in your mobile, through which you can identify the places. Children, in mobile, a code number is given according to these latitudes and longitudes. With that number only, it shows the proper position of the places. So children, in this globe you can see, even you can open your atlas and from that also you can see this latitudes, longitudes drawn on the map. So this is the globe, already we have explained this, and you can see this horizontal lines drawn. They are all called latitudes, and children, they form the circle. Even in the diagram you can see it is like half, but it is not half. It is the full circle connecting, and earth is tilted, it is slightly bent. Okay children, and here at the topmost North Pole and the downwards it is South Pole. And through these latitudes we can identify the places also. And even time, longitude and latitudes, they help us to find the proper time, local time, international time. All this we will study in the next lesson children. And few activities are given in your books to find out the places in which latitude those places lie. Like example, they have given Kenya, USA. So through the atlas, open your atlas and find the latitudes of those places and write in the textbook.